Yeah, I like the reflection, and with the running water in the back. Is he gonna do anything? Yeah, like I was telling you earlier, so I saw the wildcat running away from maybe a bobcat, you know, because I guess mountain lions would be bigger, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, the wildcat was running away from a guy walking his dog. Like maybe the cat had been like stalking this dog that was on a leash, I believe.
Really?
But yeah, the cat was running in the opposite way towards this pond we're looking at with the Great Blue Heron. So yeah, that's right over here. That's like the only time I've ever seen what I think was a like a wildcat of some sort.
And they're usually pretty reclusive.
Right. I mean, you might see like scat or something, but that's as close as you get, you know, oftentimes to seeing cats. But cool to see the Great Blue Heron here today, at least. There's a little creek running behind it. And we have the Utah Olympic Park in the background. And then you can also see a few runs coming down from the canyons in the background as well. Oh, wow. Yeah, and then a red-tailed hawk flying through the seam there as well. Looks like maybe that got the heron's attention. Like he's moving a little bit. Yeah, the thing about these water birds is they have a tendency to run afoul of the place. F-O-W-L, foul. They run afoul of the place.
They foul the place?
They run afoul of it, yeah. Don't you think? You ever notice that?
Yeah. I noticed too that the heron changed positions now. So I wonder if he's got his eye on some fish down there.
Yeah, I don't know if that had to do more with the red-tailed hawk or what.
Oh. Eyeballing the same fish. I wouldn't think a hawk would go after a heron. Pretty big. It looks like he's not on the water unless it's a Jesus bird. Looks like he's on a log or something. Ice or something across it.
Must be a shallow, you know, part of the pond over there.
Yeah, maybe they have a little dam there, kind of.
Well, there is it looks like some sort of piping that's going across the pond that's,
right.
you know.
That looks like what he's on.
You gonna go fishing there?
Oh, it looks like the hawk has come back.
Where? Oh yeah, I see now. Oh no, that's a magpie.
Yeah, I thought, well, I suppose the other one could be too. He's hopping around behind the heron.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, on the ground there?
No, he's real. Well, he looks like he's up in the tree. I mean, he's a black silhouette. And there was another magpie, so maybe there are two of them together. The other one I could definitely see that.
Well, have you had enough?